For today's recipe, I am using about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast meat. You can also use chicken tender meat, chopped or cubed in small pieces. We're also going to need some lime juice, soy sauce, curry powder, some red chili powder, tomato paste, cumin powder, brown sugar, ginger and garlic paste, salt, Thai pepper chilies, and coconut milk. We also need some chopped shallots or chopped onion, about 1 cup, and few Thai basil leaves. If you cannot find Thai basil leaf, you can use regular basil leaves. And the last two ingredients are SnapPeas. I'm using frozen ones because I didn't have fresh ones available right now in my fridge, and some regular cooking oil. I've turned on my stove and I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of oil. Now I'm going to add my chopped shallots or onion. I'm going to cook it until the onion becomes translucent. Now I'm going to add chicken meat in it. And you're going to cook it until it's no longer cooked. Make sure you still keep it on medium high, or let's keep it high. Meanwhile, we're going to add salt, cumin powder. Keep cooking until it's fully cooked. Probably is going to take about 7 to 8 minutes on high flame. Now the chicken is pretty much cooked and all the juices are gone. I'm going to add garlic and ginger paste. Soy sauce, lemon juice, curry powder, red chili powder, tomato paste, stir well, and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Also go ahead and add brown sugar, keep cooking, stirring for 3-4 minutes on high flame. And right now, I'm going to add about 2-2.5 cups of water. Adding Thai pepper, coconut milk, and I'm going to let it cook for maybe 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Alright, let's check our chicken or curry. It's perfectly done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water and moisture because I don't want my curry to be very thick, although it's totally up to you. What do you want the consistency of, or how do you want the consistency of your curry? You want a little thicker or thinner? Now I'm going to add basil leaves, long SnapPeas, and I'm going to let it cook for another maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to turn off my stove, and our Thai style chicken curry is absolutely ready. And you can serve it along any kind of plain white rice, jasmine white rice, basmati, plain white rice, whatever you love.